With Elai, powered by Panopto, creating personal, interactive, generative AI videos is easy. Let me show you how to get started with creating a video using your own presentation in less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, upload your presentation file. Elai will transform each object in your slides into dynamic elements within your video. Now, you can choose a template. You can select from Elai's ready-made designs or continue with the default layout. Next, click Convert to Slides to process your presentation. Now you can see your presentation within the editor. Any notes added in the presentation will automatically become speech text for your avatar. If you're using a PDF, each page will be converted into a static image as the background of your video slides. Once your slides are ready, it's time to customize them. Elai offers a range of editing tools to enhance your video. You can adjust fonts, add background music, or use the screen recorder to capture additional visuals. To make your video more engaging, add interactive elements. You can insert buttons to provide clickable links for additional resources and guide learners through different learning paths or embed quizzes to test the learner's knowledge. These features turn your video from a passive experience into an interactive journey. When you're happy with your video, preview it to ensure everything flows smoothly. Then, render and export your final version to share it with your audience. And that's it. You've just turned your presentation into a dynamic, interactive video in a few simple steps. Try it out and bring your slides to life with Elai.